Alright, we got a Toyota Rav4 doing the brake booster. Okay, let me just show y'all what y'all gotta do. Okay, let me see. There's one bolt there, another bolt right there. Yeah, and then there's two more on the other side. And once you do that, I didn't even know where this was. Let me see if I get a picture. That pin right there. Look here. I had to find out, ask my little fellow mechanics where that was. But you gotta take that little cotter pin out on the other side, pull out that pin, take off those 4 screws, and then you could yank the brake booster out. But only if Toyota make you do extra shit like freaking sorry, hating on Toyotas, aka Lexuses, but they end up hating that they are a pain in the ass. What you gonna do? Where is it? Okay. You have to take this out from right here, I think, with the plastic covering on. You figure it out. When you do that, you have a bunch of 10mm screws to take out. Once you take out the 2 10s to hold the windshield wiper motor, and then you'll be able to lift it out, and it'll slide right out. Good luck.